My new project that I'm getting started today is a Halloween craft. I am going to make some scary cages with skeleton people in them to hang off my front porch. So this year is the first year that all the kids around the house are kind of ready for a little bit more of a scary experience this Halloween. Now this is not an original idea. I got it off Pinterest, of course. I was looking up dollar store crafts. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna take these baskets. I have 4. I'm gonna paint them black, and then I am going to zip tie them together, and they're gonna be my cages. So these baskets I got at our Dollar Tree, and of course they were just $1 a piece. And I've got some indoor-outdoor paint that I'm gonna spray on them. I have an Ollie's close to home, and I try to go there to always look for my paint supplies before I go to a place like Lowe's or Home Depot or somewhere, because it's like a buyout closeout store. So you can see, it's a little cheaper, $2.99, whereas they say it was $3.99. So I'm saving $1, but still, I always go there to kind of see if I can get some good buys on paint. So I'm gonna paint these, and we'll see how it turns out. Never buy enough paint, and because I don't have patience, I like to get my projects done ASAP. I just went through and looked through the paint that I've got left over from other projects, and I found some silver chrome looking color and a brown, and I rationalized that, if you're actually in a cage like this, you probably don't have a pretty perfect black colored cage. So hopefully it'll give it a little bit of, authenticity, kind of a rusted old cage. My baskets are dry, so I'm fitting them together. Again, they're not completely black. If you were to find some plain black baskets, it would speed this process up quite a bit. But I'm gonna zip tie these together, and then before I zip tie them together, I'm gonna have to put in our scary little skeleton people. And then I've got these chain handcuffs that I'm gonna use for the top to hang them on my hooks that I've got on my front porch, and then zip ties. And of course, all of these items were from the Dollar Tree. Actually, everything's from the Dollar Tree except for the spray paint. Just finished my first caged creature. So you'll want to make sure and put the skeleton or whatever you've got caged, you want to put it inside your basket and attach it to the top before you, of course, put the baskets together. Another thing that I kind of made harder on myself is I waited to the end to put my chain on, and that was really hard to maneuver between, all these little in and out, weaving through that. So I would actually, if I were to do it again, I would attach your hook, your chain, whatever, put it on top before you attach your baskets together to make life a little bit easier for you. All right, we got 2 caged skeleton figures completed. I just had to hang them on my porch now. I did better with the chain on this last one, but again, I learned another lesson. You want to do your hook or your chain first. I did my skeleton first, so it was a little easier since my baskets weren't put together, but I had to maneuver around the skeleton head. So these are all done. I'm pretty happy with them. They look pretty cute, or scary, whatever they're supposed to be. Finished project. I only spent $1 per basket, $1 per little scary creature, $1 for each thing of chain, and then of course my black spray paint, and then zip ties I already had. And then to finish it off, because the wind's been blowing so much, it's been crazy, I've attached some fishing line to the bottoms of them and tied them to some washers on the ground. Turned out really good.